Well, actually, the ideas were made here in Saba by the committee that was thinking about, the first things that they wanted us to help establish, because we have a great a fund of about 200 millions, or it's a 200 million fund that can also be used here on the island. And those ideas came up, and we said, of course, we will be happy to support. Make sure that people that want to understand a bit more about their heritage, their roots, that they can research it through DNA research. A monument with the names of more than 700 people that were enslaved here on the island. All those things we're going to establish as soon as possible, but it will be with the people from this island. So I find it super important that we can support it, but it needs to be from the people of this island.
What do the people of Saba have to look forward to in this memorial year that is officially started today?
Well, actually, I hope far more stories and research in terms of what happened in the past, to understand more of the history of the Caribbean, the history of Saba, the history of slavery and colonization. To share more about that. That would be one thing. And the other is that we, as I said, opened up funds. So people would like to do things in terms of education or commemoration, or work on the idea of starting the debate on what we should change. They can apply for these funds, and we'll make sure that they're known here. But one of the other things that we have done so far is also that we started the process of the law of equality. So the gelijke behandelingswet has been sent off now to be treated first. Well, it has to go through a process, but it will be applicable here as well in the Netherlands. So the first steps are also taken in order to make sure that by law, it's going to be not only you cannot discriminate or you cannot have racism, but if you experience it, you have an extra opportunity to fight against it.